Good morning, students. Myself, Jani. Last class we saw about volume 1, both history and civics detail. Now I'm going to share about volume 2, civics. Before entering to this, I want to give some hints as well as advice relating to your public exam. So make sure that you are utilizing your time management very well. If you are having 2 weeks in your hand, divide the days as well as subject. For example, Monday and Tuesday for social, Wednesday and Thursday for science, like that. Make sure 2 days once change the subject, and make sure one day you are doing full revision. For example, 1 week fully you thoroughly read three subject means make sure that Sunday, that week Sunday will be having, right, that day you want to do the revision. After that, go for another subject, two subject, okay, complete that. Before the exam 2 days, make sure you should read only the language. Other than that, don't ever go for other subject. Do 2 days before, read only the language. That will be having a more hope on your marks. Other than that, don't panic yourself. Read continuous revision you needed. Write and do the writing practice. For example, English and the Tamil language, you should read as well as write. That is the most important thing. Keep a time management. Avoid night study. If you are comfortable in night study, make sure you are sleeping for 6 hours. That is most important thing in your part. Time management is most important. Have more responsible in your exam, because you're having only 2 weeks in your, and don't stress yourself, don't depress yourself in night time. Talk with your parents, that make you feel comfortable in that. Keep on do the revision part, okay, don't hurry up with yourself. Keep on do the revision part, that make you to feel comfortable. If you are having fear related to your exam, pray well, eat well, talk with your parents, that make you comfortable. Don't panic yourself, okay. Now we're going for volume 2 civics part. In volume 2 civics part, totally we are having three detail, right? Totally we have a three detail. Make sure that first detail, non-alignment, that is the most important detail. In that you having 7 points, okay. In that you having 7 points. In non-alignment, year, they having year, right? Year as well as name and the numbers, okay. In numbers, they having n numbers. So if you forgotten the number, don't write the wrong year or the number, okay. Leave it off, and you can go for other point. If you forgotten any year or the number, don't write the wrong number. That is my kind request for you. And see the second detail, co-determination of Indian policy. So in that you having only 8 point, that to minimum line only you having. So as it is, we saw last video itself. Put the box, write the synopsis, introduction and conclusion. Months introduction and conclusion, you can take it from the question itself. So same way. And third detail, make a list of the basic concept followed by the India to maintain friendly relationship with the neighbors. The most important thing in this, we are having 3 point. You got it, 3 point conclusion. In book itself will be having, so read that part, okay. Go for the second lesson. You are having the second lesson, right? Second lesson is quite more crucial and the important part, that is talking about fully India and the relationship, other country relationship. So see the first detail, three Indian global grouping. So put a tablet column and write the name of the grouping name and their objectives. That will be quite easy for you. See the second one, BRICS, most important thing, and OPEC, mission. So within this two detail, make sure you going to write one detail. So this two detail should be in your fingertip. All the heading, all the subheading, all the point with the conclusion, you should make sure that you are in a perfect order, because the two detail is most important detail. Sure, that going to hit your public exam, sure. Any other go that going to hit your public exam. So make sure that you are having, so totally two lesson only you are having in volume 2 civics. So make sure write properly with the neat handwriting. Underline the heading. So already I told how you should write the detail. Underline the heading, a synopsis box with the conclusion. Conclusion ends these are. Start from this word in these are. Then pick up from the words from the question question, right? What the question you having, pick out the word from that. Make sure you are writing in a proper way. Don't underestimate yourself. If you are reading, be a confident of yourself. Okay, thank you.